About setting notes across multiple drawings and also placing them on each drawing. So the easiest way to do that is to actually start off by first extracting at least something so we have a table that's in the correct format. And what I'm going to do is we're going to just add in a new row. As you can see, the table's automatically expanded, and we're going to get rid of the previous notes because we're going to do a wildcard on this. So I'm going to eliminate my note value, and let's create a new one called my note. And we don't need to add a root. In this case, we're going to say all drawing files that are in session. We're going to create it at a position of 2, 2. So if we take a look at our session here, we have our start.drw files. We can see we have quite a few of them here. And we're going to go create this note, and we're going to type in hello world is going to be our note value that we're displayed. So we just use these two functions here to create the table and get some notes out. Now we're going to actually come in and say nc, excuse me, table note, set create, and it needs the name of the table that we're going to be using for this. So in this case, we're going to be using tbl colon my table. And as a final operation, we're going to go in and regenerate the notes so that they display correctly on each drawing. So we're going to say, let's see, table regenerate, and we'll do the same reference. So anything that's in session. So when we run this, you'll notice that it's going through each each drawing that's there and actually altering those. So if we pull up another drawing, you'll notice that our hello world is here. Obviously, that's not in the best spot, but the point of this is just to show that it is actually creating them. So let's take a look at this phone here, and we'll see that there's our hello world that has been created also. So it is a pretty powerful capability. And if we wanted to change those on each of those drawings, let's say we already had notes that were there, and we said, you know something, this needs to be hello world 2, and let's try to change the location of these things. So when we run this, you'll notice that it is in fact not just altered the note, but also changed its position. So if we come back and take a look at some of the other drawings, whoops, let me grab a drawing here, in session, grab a drawing. You'll notice that it has not just changed it, but also altered the location of the note also. So pretty powerful capability.